In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the hidden settings in the Zen web browser. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up the Zen browser, and where the URL is, click into it, and now we need to type in about:config and then hit enter. Then it'll say, warn me when I attempt to access these preferences. Make sure that is ticked and then click accept the risk and continue. Then you'll come to a page that looks like this, and it'll say changing these preferences can impact Zen's performance or security. So now to access the hidden settings, above that there's a show all button. Go ahead and click onto that, and now if we scroll down, this is all Zen's hidden settings. And now on the top here there's a search bar where you can type in a preference name to go ahead and change that setting. And to the right of that, it's got a little box here that says show only modified preferences, so you can click that or enable that or disable that. Now, I would only muck around or change these settings if you absolutely know what you're doing, because as it stated before, if you change any setting, it might impact Zen's performance.